Then E for igloo. How can I help you for today's video? So before anything else, is there anything else? Hi, thank you for calling Truvenes Customer Service. This is Brando. Is that correct? May I have a great name? May I have your name, your great name? Yes, your first and last break. Name, your first and last name. Oh, your name is Ginger? Is that G for Jennifer? I for Aimo? N for Enye? G for jar? Oh, wait. G for jellyfish. And then E for igloo. And R for wrong. Oh, it's wrong? Yes, it's wrong. Oh, I see. So it's wrong. So it's correct. Okay, so how can I help you for today's video? Okay, please correct me. I'm wrong. If I'm wrong. So you received an expired dog food and you want me to replace you. Your item. Oh, okay. No worries. I'll help you on that. So before anything else, is there anything else? Is there any other pets aside from you? From your dog? Oh, just a dog. Okay. So, please hold me for a while. Hi, I'm back. Thank you for calling. Thank you for waiting on the line. I just want to give you a headset. A heads up that the process is still processing. So, your item will be delivered up until Monday ng 8 p.m. And also, I'll give you the refund that includes the shipping charges and fee na ha. Diba nga? What I said before is that you will receive the replacement and the refund. Is there anything else pa, ma'am? Great, okay. Ma'am, thank you for being yourself. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your life. Again, thank you for calling, and how can I help you today? I hope you can have a great day today.